Hi guys, Sarah here at Craft Habit, Raleigh in North Carolina. I am outdoors. It is Tuesday, November 20th, right before Thanksgiving. We're back to our normal North Carolina weather where we get like a good 65-degree November. Here for it. I'm here outside by this blue wall, so I want to show you what is happening at Craft Habit these days. We are open, we have classes, we have cool stuff to do, but there's a well, let me just kind of show you what's going on. That used to be our parking lot. Luckily, we have this extra parking lot where you can come and park to come to all of our stuff. And then all you'll have to do to get to Craft Habit is hop on the sidewalk and walk down this pedestrian pathway. We have put up lots of signage. Where's the signage? There it is. Signage and arrows and sparkly things so that you can see how to get there. So you'll just come all the way down the sidewalk. Oh, I'm too far from our Wi-Fi, so sorry if the video popped out. I'm showing you our nice long walk with our pretty arrows of how to get to Craft Habit now, which you have to park around the corner, but you can still come straight to us. Here's a bonus: if you have little kids who like construction, you can bring them out here and just watch the diggers digging up the parking lot. It's pretty cool. It is very close to us. You can see it's sort of right across the sidewalk. But what this means is that we're gonna have a gorgeous, beautiful new parking lot in, a few months, to be honest. But here we are. We've arrived at Craft Habit. Sorry, everything's in mirror letters. It's so you can see my face. We're gonna go inside and I have a tip for you. All right, here we are. We're inside Craft Habit. It's just as beautiful as always, filling up with more stuff. There's lovely crafts happening everywhere. We're gonna head back to the classroom and I'm gonna show you a very quick and easy trick to make place cards for your table. If you are a person who likes to make sure everyone knows where to sit, or you want to make place cards everyone can pick their own seat so that nobody's drinking out of anybody else's water glass, these are very helpful. So I'm gonna put you guys down so you can see my work surface. There we go. All right, so here is, this is great. Here is one of the place cards I've made. I've just made this out of a blank greeting card. You can also do this with any kind of paper. You could cut up or you could fold in half an index card of different sizes. Any kind of paper will do. I've also got this little piece of watercolor paper that I've cut. I'm gonna fold this in half. And then I've got my hole punch. This is my little fun star hole punch. You can use a regular one too. We've got star hole punches, heart hole punches, and circles of various sizes here at Craft Habit. And this is going to be difficult. There we go. This is kind of a thick paper, so it's a little tough for me to get it, but I'm going to put holes. So I've got it folded, and I'm putting holes down in the corners. There we go. I'm going to take some string. This is a baker's twine that I think is pretty. Cut that out, and then all you have to do, if you hold this together again, you can slide your twine through those holes, around the back, and then through these holes too. Get there. There it is. Then you'll take your two ends and you can tie a bow, you can tie a knot, however you want to do it. If you want your table card to be a little taller and narrower, just pull this string tighter. I'm going to do that. I'm going to make mine stand up pretty tall, so I'm going to pull it here. I don't want to tie it closed, so I don't want to tie it down here because then it can't pop open. But I'm going to tie it, I'm going to give it a little bit of wiggle room here. And I'm going to tie a knot first to hold it in place, and then I'll tie my bow on top of that. That's a little cheat, but it'll help. And you don't have to worry about getting it centered, because once you've tied it, I'm going to put my little bow on here. I'm going to scoosh it up so it's the kind of bow that I like. I'm going to clip the ends. So even though this is off center, which it can be if you like off center, if you want to center it, you can, because this is just a circle. So it can move any which way. You could even, if you want to, you could tie this, you can move it through so it's tied on the inside so you don't even see the string, but I kind of like it like this. And you can put somebody's name here, or you could also use this if you want to let people know what's in different dishes. If you've got a potluck style thing, a lot of people like to put, you know, this is vegetarian, or this is gluten-free, or this is Nana's green bean recipe. You can use these cards for whatever, and they're super cute and easy to make, and at the end of the day, you can recycle them. So, I hope that is helpful to you. Hey, Elizabeth. And that you are doing well and not having a stressful holiday week. I hope you're having a good holiday week, and that you get a half day off work and then another day off work, and then I hope that you come to Craft Habit, because we are working on an amazing handmade gift bonanza, which means we're gonna have like 12 different projects here that you can come in, make while you're here, make gifts for people, be done with it and take it home with you. One of our projects is this little tassel necklace with an awesome stone on the top. We've got some etched glass. We've got some macrame plant hangers, some origami boxes, a bunch of different stuff. All of these products are good for crafters age 7 and up. Some will need parental help, and then on Sunday, this Sunday, we will have projects specifically for kids under age 7. So 6 down to about 2 years old. There's all something that all those ages can do, again with parental help. But that'll be on Sunday. We'll have special crafts for little people, as well as our other big crafts for medium-sized and big people. That's what I've been working on, which is why I'm a little bit delirious. But I hope to see you all here. I hope you can come craft with us, and I hope you have a great Thanksgiving. And send me pictures of your table settings, because I love that stuff. All right, that's it for Tuesday Tips. See you next week. Bye.